So why PowerPoint? Well, first of all, it's familiar. Many of us have worked in the corporate world, or if we haven't worked in the corporate world, Microsoft Office, together with Word and PowerPoint, is pretty much a household name. Most of us have had a way of working with PowerPoint before. So what better way than to just put on top of this familiar tool this task that can seem a little bit scary at first, but when you put it together with something that you already know how to use, it becomes that much simpler. The new features of PowerPoint are just amazing. Yes, I mean, even versions like 2003 are still jam-packed with things that you can use to create a cover, but you will find that the built-in features are just about enough to be able to do all of the things that you need to do to take a cover from just an idea to a finished product. And let's face it, PowerPoint is way easier than trying to navigate Photoshop or GIMP or even Pixlr for that matter. I spent a couple of weeks learning Illustrator, and I've used it to create a few of my Create Space covers. And in the end, for when I needed to do quick mock-ups or I needed to do some stuff for clients, I ended up going with PowerPoint just because it is so much more accessible and it's so much quicker to get things done with it. And finally, just like on the outsourcing thing, this is going to give you control. Not only does it give you control, but it allows you to even be prolific. You will find out that it is so quick to use this that you'll create 2, 3, 4, 5 covers at a sitting. And then you can take all of those, share them with your audience, with your friends, with colleagues, people on your list or on your Facebook groups, and ask them for feedback. Then you're going to get real, live, objective feedback, which you can then put back into your design and produce just the right cover. So now you will see as we go through the process and this course, how simple it can actually be to create your own cover. And with that said, let's move on to the preparation stage, which is just before beginning to create the 2D cover for your book.